Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, real quick, I'm going to show you how I created this little charm out of the mini glass jars at Dollar Tree. And I am going to take it off of here. I was playing around and used one of these wine glass holder or wine glass, what are they called, you know, things, or they could be like big earring things. But I also got these at the Dollar Tree, and I discovered that if you poke through, like there's a hole through there, and if you poke that, then maybe you can use this to as a way to hold your charm in place if you wanted to put it on top of like a tag flip or a pocket letter or you know, a stuffed envelope, just something to hold it in place. So we'll see if these come in handy. But for now, I'm just going to show you. So what you're going to need, of course, are the little jars from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to tell you why I got these. So I originally wanted to attach, and I don't have one right here, but you know the little tiny glass jars you could put like seed beads in, and they have like the little cork topper. And I've seen crafters put those in their charms, but I'm so afraid if I do that the cork is going to pull out. And I don't want to glue the cork in case whoever I'm sending it to wants to use whatever in the little jar. So I saw these at Dollar Tree. They do have larger ones as well. And I was like, all right, well, let's see if we can do something with these. Now, keep in mind, guys, that you can always spray paint these lids gold if you wanted to make them gold, or actually any color you want, pastel, any color. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 in the bag for $1. And then you're going to need like a picky tool like this, right? Because something that you are going to puncture this metal with, and it's really thin metal, so you don't really need anything. You could probably use the end of a steak knife if that's all you have, but this will give it just a nice little dot there. Okay, you'll need a little charm, which we already have created here in the purple. You'll need some jump rings. I also have one of my little Happy Mail charms that I'm going to attach to the bottom of that. And you'll need some eye pins. I really think you have to have an eye pin, only because I'm not sure how else you would secure it inside the cap. Well, I guess you can create a hook and then it's going to be inside so nobody would see it. So, all right, so maybe you don't have to have an eye pin, but that's how I'm going to use it. I do use my cheater, my looper, and then just some pliers for the jump rings. Okay, so let's get started. All right, guys, so unfortunately I am not in frame right now, but I am pulling out the little foam stopper thingy that's inside the cap, and then I'm putting the hole in the cap with my little picky thing that is from Stampin' Up. Putting in my eye pin, putting back the little foamy paper thing, and then I'm taking my looper and I am creating the loop on the top, as you can now see, on the top of the lid, and there we have our little loop. I am then taking my jump rings and attaching them there to that loop. I'm attaching the charm that I made. That'll be next. I just put 2 loops there so it kind of hangs down the bottom and it doesn't just, you know, sit sideways. And then on the bottom of the charm, I'm taking another jump ring and I'm adding that little Happy Mail Shrinky Dink envelope to it. So guys, these are really fun to make, and that is it. All right, so now we're gonna take our little jar, and I hope that voiceover turns out okay. But we're gonna take our little jar, and I have a sequins mix here that has some purples in it, so I think that'll look really cute. I have that sequins mix. Oh, I hope they're going to fit through there. They might not. Hold on, guys. I have that sequins mix raffle months back, and so I have tons of sequins, tons of mixes, any color. So, all right, so that fits in there. What is that down here? Okay, I don't know what that is. All right, so I have these little funnels, and we're gonna go ahead and put some of the purple sequins in here into the jar, and hopefully they go in. But we'll just use, where'd our picky tool go? Trying to push them through. Oh, come on. There we go. Oop. Oop. There it is. All right, come on. Oh boy, guys, you see this mess? They're just like flopping all over. All right, so I got them in off camera because they were just bothering me. All right, and then we just screw on the top, right? And then we can add this, if we want to add this to a charm, we can most certainly do that, or we can just send it off like this, packaged in some Happy Mail. And I did add that Happy Mail shrinky dink to the bottom. Guys, I thought this one came out super cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.